Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to quick export to PDF from a layout in AutoCAD. Fast guide. So let's get started. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Over here, make sure your work is saved before continuing. Then, set the layout that you want to export as the current layout. After that, go to the Output tab at the top of the screen. Over here, locate the Export to DWF/PDF panel. Then, click on the Export drop-down menu and select PDF. After that, if you prefer shortcuts, type Export PDF in the command prompt. Over here, choose the folder where you want to save the PDF. Then, enter a file name for your PDF. After that, click Save to start the export process. Over here, wait for AutoCAD to create the PDF file. Then, your PDF will be ready for sharing, reviewing, or saving for your records. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.